Want to delete your Hostinger account? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on Log In and enter your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Information from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Delete Account and follow the instructions. Confirm the deletion to permanently remove your Hostinger account. Once deleted, you will lose access to all data, including websites, emails, and hosting services. If you don't see the delete option, you may need to contact Hostinger support for assistance. That's how you can delete your Hostinger account. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, just use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.